I've tried not every single diet, but I've tried quite a lot, and I've lost weight on those, and then eventually I gain weight again, and probably more than before.
I wanted to lose weight and to permanently lose weight.
I always thought exercise was the only way to do it, and this has taught me that exercise is part of it, but the main thing is the nutrition.
It's really getting to understand and learn your body again and getting into some brand new habits that you didn't think you needed.
It was habits that you could stick with and make part of your life.
There's that ongoing support, and that I really think sets it apart. They give you all the resources that you need, but then they're there when you hit a roadblock.
I learned a lot. I actually learned a lot. And it was so simple. It's crazy how easy this is to do.
What's been most profound for me is not the kind of losing weight. It's the whole how I am different.
I just can't believe it sometimes, how well it has worked. It freaks me out.
I feel like anything I want to do is possible. And I gotta say, there's never been that point in my life that I felt that way.